Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, first you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be apps list, and then just hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down at the same time, and screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery, not in this one. Here you have the more decent gallery. In the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.